Hello kids! Let's learn some colors and shapes. Light pink color, yellow color, brown color, blue color, orange color, dark green color, violet color, red color, peacock green color, pink color, sky blue color, black color. Let's draw the shape. This is black color. Arrow. Upside downside arrow. Triangle. Star. Heart. Pentagon. Sky blue color. Arrow. Arrow. Sky blue color. Red color. Upside downside arrow. Upside downside arrow. Upside downside arrow. Red color. Violet color. Triangle. 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 Violet color. Dark green color. Star. 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 Dark green color. Light pink color. Heart. 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 Light pink color. Green color. Pentagon. 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 Green color. Sky blue color, red color, violet color, dark green color, light pink color, green color. Arrow, upside down, downside arrow, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Arrow, upside downside arrow, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe.